Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I achieve this crunchy looking snack, which is called Chinchin in Nigeria and also known as chips in Ghana. Stay tuned and continue watching to see how I achieve this crunchy looking golden brown and tasty Chinchin. Here are my ingredients. Over here I have 600 grams of all-purpose flour, half cup of sugar, half teaspoon of salt. Here is baking powder, that's 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Over here is corn flour, I have 1 tablespoon of corn flour. And here is nutmeg, I'll be taking a half teaspoon of that. Here I have 150 gram of butter, 2 eggs, I have some water here, and also half cup of milk. Over here is the oil that I'll be using for frying. So now to get started, I'm going to mix all the dry ingredients together. Here is the flour. I'm going to add the sugar, as you can see. Here is half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of corn flour. The corn flour is optional, take it out. And also I'm going to take half teaspoon of the nutmeg, just like this. Then I'm going to mix everything together to combine very well. After adding all the dry ingredients, I'm going to add the butter and then mix it together with my hands. My hands are clean, okay? I'm so sorry guys, I lost some clips in this video, so please bear with me. At this point, I've already added the half cup of milk and the 2 eggs. So what I'm doing is just to create a dough. Okay, that's all what I'm doing, mixing everything together. After mixing all the ingredients together very well to incorporate, this is what I got. So as you can see, I did not add any water to it again. The texture was okay for me. This is what I was looking for, very soft. So it depends on you. If you see that your dough is hard, you can add some water bit by bit to soften it, but it was okay for me like this, so I didn't make use of any water, just the milk and the egg. Okay, so now the dough is ready. I put the water aside, as you can see. Now the dough is ready, so I'm setting that aside and moving on to my saucepan. I add my cooking oil into the saucepan. As you see, I add enough that will be able to fry. Then after that, I leave it on a low to medium heat to preheat it gradually until I'm done cutting the chinchin. That's what I'm doing. I put it on a low to medium heat. So now it's time for me to cut. First of all, I sanitized my working area. I have a mixture of vinegar and water in the bottle. I sanitized everywhere very well. Then I sprinkle some flour on the surface for easy and smooth cutting. Over here is the dough. I'm going to divide it into two. I knead it a little bit, then I start to roll it. For the cutting, I'm using a pizza roller. It makes the job easier and faster. You can use knife as well if you like. You can cut your chinchin into your desired shape. You can see how I'm cutting mine. This is how I like it. I'm done cutting the chinchin, so now it's time to start frying. You can see I cut it in two shapes, in a rectangular form and also in square. You can shape it how you like it. So now the oil have been preheated, so I'm going to drop one in and see if it is ready. Now it is well hot, so I'm going to start frying. Don't worry, it will separate when it gets into the oil. Here the chinchin is ready. You can see it has turned to a golden brown. This is what we are looking for, so it's time to take it out of the oil. Then I continue frying the rest. I'm done frying and this is what I achieved. Crunchy looking and also tastes great. Kids love this. You can try it for your kids now that they are with us in the house 24/7 because of the close down of schools. You know, sometimes they can be demanding, more demanding in fact. So give this a try. I'm sure your kids will love it. Thank you all for watching till this point. I really do appreciate. If this is your first time, remember to click on the subscribe button before checking out, okay? Thank you so much and I'll see you in my next video. Stay blessed and stay safe. Bye bye.